The world's smartest kid just revealed that CERN has opened a portal to the 63rd dimension. What if the most astonishing revelations about our universe weren't from seasoned scientists, but from the mind of a child? A prodigy whose insights seem to unlock mysteries even experts are hesitant to confront? Many people dismiss children's opinions on complex issues as fantasy or naivete. But what if they're wrong? What if a child could grasp the cosmic intricacies of the universe in ways that even the most brilliant adults cannot? Could a young genius lead humanity into a realm of understanding that forever alters our perception of reality? Brace yourselves. We may have already stepped into a shadowy new dimension without even knowing it. According to Max, scientists at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, have unintentionally opened a portal to the 63rd dimension. The implications? Humanity may be living in a fractured reality, one subtly altered by a series of small but significant shifts caused by the experiments conducted at the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. Join us as we explore these mind-twisting concepts. Could the next cosmic breakthrough come from a child's imagination? Max Laughlin's scientific adventures. A prodigy emerges. Born on November 14, 2002, in San Francisco, California, Max Laughlin's fascination with science and technology began almost as soon as he could walk. By the age of 13, this American teenager had not only captured the attention of educators and the media, but had astounded them with his invention, an energy-harnessing device he called the Harvester. This machine, made from simple household items for less than $15, was designed to extract energy from ambient radio waves. Inspired by the groundbreaking work of Nikola Tesla, Laughlin's invention had the potential to revolutionize how we think about energy. But that was just the beginning of his scientific journey. As Laughlin's fame grew, so did the scrutiny of his ideas. Some claimed his harvester couldn't possibly work as described. Skeptics gathered, but Max's unyielding mind didn't stop there. At only 14, Max was already taking online courses at MIT, showcasing his towering intellect. Soon, his name was linked with major global events. He spoke at the Nexus Global Youth Summit and even participated in panel discussions at the World Science Festival in Brisbane. But it was his ideas about the universe and CERN's Large Hadron Collider that truly shook the scientific world to its core. A child's bold theory. Has CERN opened a portal to another world? In a world where experts study subatomic particles and wrestle with the fundamental laws of physics, Max Laughlin dared to propose a theory few could imagine. CERN's Large Hadron Collider may have ripped open a doorway to another dimension. To most, this sounds like the stuff of science fiction. But what if it's not? Max's theory pushes us to reconsider everything we think we know about the universe. He believes that the experiments conducted at the LHC have done more than just recreate the conditions of the Big Bang. They may have fundamentally altered the fabric of reality. According to Max, this shift could explain the rise of phenomena like the Mandela effect, where large groups of people remember events differently from how they actually happened. Could this be a sign that we've slipped into a parallel universe? How the Large Hadron Collider might have changed reality. CERN's Large Hadron Collider is the largest and most powerful particle accelerator on Earth. Sitting in a 27-kilometer-long tunnel beneath the French-Swiss border near Geneva, the LHC smashes particles together at speeds approaching the speed of light. Its purpose is to study the fundamental building blocks of the universe, subatomic particles, by recreating conditions similar to those present right after the Big Bang. Since its first experiment in 2008, the LHC has led to monumental discoveries, including the confirmation of the Higgs boson in 2012, a particle that gives other particles their mass. Yet, the collider's potential extends far beyond the standard model of particle physics. According to Max, one such experiment didn't just lead to new discoveries. It may have ripped open a portal to the 63rd dimension. Max proposes that during one of the collisions, the structure of the universe itself was damaged, thrusting humanity into an alternate dimension, one nearly identical to our own, but with subtle differences. A cosmic clue? Have you ever remembered something so vividly, only to discover that your memory doesn't match reality? Perhaps you've heard people claim that Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, only to later find out he passed away in 2013? Or perhaps you recall the popular line from Star Wars, "Luke, I am your father," only to discover the actual line is, "No, I am your father." These collective misrememberings are known as the Mandela effect. Max Laughlin believes that the Mandela effect is evidence of this dimensional shift. He suggests that when the LHC was activated, it didn't just smash particles together. It fractured the universe, pushing us into a new timeline. Could our reality be one of many infinite versions, with subtle variations that our minds struggle to comprehend? Max's multiverse theory. According to Max, the universe isn't singular. Instead, it's part of a multiverse, an infinite number of parallel universes, each slightly different from the next. In Max's view, the LHC has the potential to act as a bridge between these universes, opening doorways to realities beyond our own. He describes how humanity once existed on a singular timeline, but one of CERN's experiments inadvertently split that timeline into countless others. In each moment, we are moving through different dimensions, and what we perceive as our present reality is, in fact, just one version of countless possible outcomes. Max speculates that scientists at CERN may have realized the unintended consequences of their experiments, but chose to keep their findings secret, fearing public panic. Could the LHC destroy the universe? Max isn't alone in his concerns about the LHC's potential risks. Since the collider's inception, critics have voiced concerns about its potential to create micro-black holes, tiny anomalies that, while small, could pose a threat to our very existence. Although CERN scientists have dismissed these fears, the debate has persisted for years. In 2000, nuclear physicist Francesco Calogero published a paper titled, "Might a Laboratory Experiment Destroy Planet Earth?" Calogero's essay sparked a heated global debate about whether the LHC could inadvertently end the world. Though many dismissed the claims as alarmist, others couldn't shake the uneasy feeling that CERN's experiments might have unforeseen consequences. Could Max Laughlin's theories be correct? Could we be living in a slightly altered version of our universe? Is this just the beginning? The Large Hadron Collider has already contributed to some of the most significant discoveries in modern physics, but its potential is far from exhausted. One of the most tantalizing mysteries it could unlock is the nature of dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up roughly 85% of the universe's mass. Max suggests that CERN's experiments, aimed at unlocking the secrets of dark matter, may have gone awry, accidentally altering the balance between universes. Some theorists believe that dark matter could hold the key to accessing alternate dimensions, and the LHC may have inadvertently done just that. As the LHC continues its operations, scientists hope to answer some of the biggest questions in physics. What is dark matter? How does it interact with normal matter? Could it be the missing link between our universe and others? The next big revelation from a child's imagination? Max Laughlin's bold claims may seem outlandish, but history shows us that young minds often hold the key to breakthroughs others dismiss. From Nikola Tesla's visions of wireless energy to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, some of the most revolutionary ideas have come from those who dared to think differently. Could Max be the next great thinker to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos? Or are his theories the product of a vivid imagination unbounded by the constraints of conventional wisdom? Only time will tell. As CERN's Large Hadron Collider continues its experiments, humanity stands on the edge of the unknown. Will we uncover the secrets of the universe? Or will we find ourselves in a new reality, one we didn't even realize we had entered? Stay curious, stay skeptical, and most of all, stay open to the possibilities. Because the next mind-blowing discovery could come from the unlikeliest source of all, a child with a vision.